How to retrieve deleted messages on Android phones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will show you to recover deleted text messages on your Android device. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Google Messages app on your device. Navigate to the profile icon at top right. From the menu, you can easily choose Archived and scroll through the archive messages and locate the one you need. Long press on the particular message and now tap on the On Archive icon at top of your screen. And with that, your message should be retrieved. The other method is simply you can open the Android Message application and locate the three dots and select Recycle Pin. You can easily scroll through recently deleted messages and then tap on the message you want to recover or restore or screenshot it for safekeeping. Currently, I do not have my Android Message application. You can easily follow that step if you have your Android Message applications. So by following these two steps, you can easily fix or retrieve deleted text messages on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.